You're a new notary. You're not making any cash yet. This is the video for you. You've been a notary for a little bit. You've been procrastinating. You haven't really been doing much or making much money, or you don't know how to make much money. This is the video for you. You told all your friends and family that you're a notary, but no one's calling you. You're not making any money. You've already passed the test. This is the video for you. I'm Mr. Rogers. I've helped hundreds, if not over 1,000 people pass the notary exam on the first try. And now I want to take the next step and help you guys make some money. Let me know how my new microphone is, because you guys have bought me a cup of coffee. I've used that money to buy a microphone to make the sound better. Anyway, I've laid it all out and I'm going to share it with you. New notaries, clear action steps that you can take immediately so you start writing business this week. Build up your confidence, okay? And let's get this going. All right. So the focus of this is 5 easy ways to make money as a notary, like right away. Remember, you passed that test, you're commissioned. Now, here's the question. How do you make some money? All right. Now, here's 5 steps. The first step, you're going to list yourself on something called SnapDocs. If you've heard of SnapDocs, put it in the comments. List on SnapDocs. And I'm also going to leave a link there so you don't have to go and research and find the link. What does SnapDocs do? It's really powerful. So listen, companies are already looking for notaries. They just don't know you and where you are and how to find you. And they're not going to go looking around. They go in one place or, specific places. SnapDocs is one of those places. Now, once you sign up with SnapDocs, the jobs get sent to you. And here's an even sweeter part of the process. You get to decide if you're going to accept or decline the job. If you have a job right now, because this is your business, right? If you have a job right now and your boss says, I need you to do this, do you get to decide if you want to do it or don't want to do it, or you have to do it because it's your job? Well, in this instance, you get to decide if you want to do the job. And let me tell you something. If you think they're not offering enough for the job, right? If it's 3 hours away, turn the job down. But if it's 5 minutes away, or they're going to come to you, or they're going to meet you 10 minutes away over at the Starbucks, they're willing to do that to get a couple of signatures. And you make, say it's California, you get $15 of signatures. You get 2 signatures in 15 to 30 minutes. It was worth it, right? SnapDocs. So here's the action step number 1 from Mr. Rogers. Click the link that I'm providing for you or Google it yourself. Create your profile, upload your commission and your documents, turn on your notifications. It's that easy. Number 2, sign up for an option called the signing order. Join the signing order. It's the same. You sign up, you get notifications, you accept, you show up, and you get paid. All right? Even 2 to 3 jobs a week adds up, right? But we're trying to get you to 6 figures, but I got to get your feet wet. I got to get you comfortable. I got to get you moving. And remember, I have confidence in you and I know you can do it. So stop being scared if you're scared. If you're not scared, just put not scared in the description. But if you're scared, stop being scared. Just start doing this. And remember, don't go on a shopping spree, but you better have some good equipment, right? You have to be able to print documents. So you're going to need a trustworthy printer. That's one thing. Make sure you have that. Reliable printer, that is. Make sure you have your ink. Make sure you have the proper notary stamp for your state. Every state has a different stamp. All right. If you're in a state that needs a journal, make sure you have a journal because that's required in my state. Some states don't need a journal. For me, even if you're in a state that doesn't need a journal, I would have my own personal journal just to cover your tracks. So no one can say you did this or you did that or you didn't do this or you didn't do that. Mr. Rogers is here to help you. I'm telling you, if you have a journal, boom, you got evidence that you did everything right. Okay. So let's see. But like I said, don't go on a shopping spree. What was that I said you needed? Reliable printer, stamp, journal. There was something else I had here. Oh, go to Best Buy to get the stuff. Go to Office Depot if they have it in your area, or just use my links because I supplied some links for you there too. Number 3 option, get listed on one thing called Notary Rotary. I'll say it again, Notary Rotary. It's just like before. You sign up, say what services you do, give your information. Now, this is a directory where individuals and companies search for notaries in that area. So isn't it sweet? Somebody's getting married. I don't know. Somebody just needs something documented. Somebody got a will. Somebody got a trust. They need some signatures done. Boom. Remember, no listing, no visibility. Don't rely on your friends and families to make money. Get yourself listed on here. Now, here's the one. I like this one, of course. Tell everybody. Don't rely on friends or families, but make sure everybody knows. I know my friends that are mobile notaries, they post it on Facebook all the time. They post it on Instagram. Coworkers know it. Church members know it. Small businesses know it. And believe me, with all of that, people start to, sign up and want your business. People start saying, hey, yeah, I need this for the church. I need this for this transaction. But that's a slower pace than doing the first two. Okay. The last one I like is visit local businesses, especially real estate offices, especially loan offices. Go to open houses. You run into a realtor. When they're closing these docs, every single home, at least in California, every single home, the documents have to be notarized, right? So I would start with the first 2 techniques first, get really used to it. And then once we're ramping you up to become 6-figure earners, then you start doing these businesses, because if you get some loan docs, there are going to be a lot of signatures. It has to be perfect, but you're going to make much more money, right? And then once you start doing it in volume, that's when the money really ramps up. So I said that, do you have business cards? Make sure you have business cards, all right? So what would be first? First, the printer, and definitely the stamp and the business cards. Sometimes people put the cart before the horse, and they get all kinds of other stuff. They get LLCs, they might get logos, they might get shirts that have the name of their business names that they made up. Slow down, make some money, then get that stuff like I did. I just did my videos, made a little money. Now I got a better mic. See, there you go. Now, in closing, I believe in you. I trust you. Remember, if you do this and you start doing this steadily, you're going to start making money and a name for yourself, and you're going to have your own business. You're going to have tax write-offs. You're going to be a king or a queen at what you're doing. So this is Mr. Rogers. I'll see you on the next one. Okay. Bye.